eLama is an unbelievably promising marketing tech startup that joined us as a part of a program we run with Konovalov.
Business Dick 1, Mark.
My name is Igor.
My name is Sasha.
We are from Russia. We create tools and services for small and medium businesses, and we help them automate their digital marketing. Digital marketing, especially paid marketing, is a really complicated landscape.
All digital marketing started from here. Google is from here, Facebook from here, LinkedIn, Instagram, everything.
When thinking about what it is that VentureOut was able to bring to the table for eLama in their 3-month accelerator, I think it was a broad understanding of what it means to build and grow a business here in the US and in New York City.
So Alexandra and Igor have been fantastic, and they have shown incredible humility and understanding of doing things, right? It's learning by doing and not talking about it, and it's been great to see them make the most of their time here.
First month was like, I'm trying to understand what is going on here.
We started talking to so many different people, so many different agencies, businesses, startups.
So there was a point in the program where the eLama team decided to really pivot the product and create something unique as an offering for the US market. They've made millions of dollars with the product that they have already. And when they came here and they really understood what the market needed, they didn't decide to just do what they had done before that had brought them success. They realized that the market here demanded something different and endeavored to actually create a new product offering for the market here, which was a level of pivot that most founders, most executive teams don't really have the courage to take.
We came here to test everything. We make a lot of conclusions because of this.
So what changed? Everything.
The number one characteristic we see in founders that find success after the VentureOut program is humility. And the team at eLama had that in spades. And that humility empowered them to be able to get more insights and get more feedback and make more pivots, which I think allowed them to find way more product market fit than they would have otherwise. I'm really proud of the team. I'm really excited about what they are going to be bringing to market in the very near future and desperate to use it for VentureOut as a client. So yes, a terrific success.